In the next episode, the most dangerous battle will begin around Sarhad missing phone. Aras will learn that someone entered the place where Sarhad was hiding and took only advice containing his recorded message. Aras will immediately suspected Hakan, but the truth will be more complicated because Teoman will be the one who find the phone. He will see only one saved number and call it without knowing who will answer. Aras' voice comes through. Teoman will remain silent, but Aras will recognize his breathing and understand that the phone is in Teoman's head. This small moment will change the entire story. Aras will not excuse him directly. Instead, he will ask Teoman to meet him alone and promise that the phone may contain information about both of their lives. Teoman will agree. Sibna will discover the meeting and fill his mind with position. She will tell him that Aras has been using Layla, Dennis and even Sarhad to enter the family and take everything away. Teoman will arrive ready for a fight, but Aras will surprise him by placing an old family photograph on the table. He will explain that he is searching for a boy named Damin, not money of power. Teoman will laugh at first, then freeze when he notices a small cross-shaped mark drawn on the back of the picture, the same symbol connected to his past. So, before he can ask question, armed men signed to silent at Sarhad will attack the meeting place, believing Sarhad is also there. Aras and Teoman will be forced to protect each other. Teoman will have a clear chance to escape, but he will return and pull away from danger. That decision will reveal that his hatred is beginning to crack. Dennis will reach the scene and see Teoman risking himself for Aras, which will make her question. Layla will also arrive, but instead of running to Aras, she will notice the phone lying on the floor and take it. Later, she will find a damaged recording in which Sarhad said that Hakan did not create the original secret, he only helped in hide it. The real decision was made by someone inside the Kaya house who was afraid that two brothers would one day oppose the truth. The record will cut before the person name is spoken. At the end, Sibna will enter Layla's room and see the phone in her hand. Layla will ask whether Teoman was brought into the family under another name, and Sibna's silence will be enough to confirm that the secret is much closer than anyone imagined.